What's up, everybody? How's it going? It's Ted here with Bodies and Wicks. I am, oh man, getting wound down for the day. All right, it has been it's been a long day. If anybody has been paying attention to Forex or crypto, things have been, a little wobbly today, a little wobbly. But let's check and see if we can't figure out what is going on. So let's head over to forexfactory.com first and see. As you can see, not much happened today. There was really not much on the agenda. But what was big was Brexit. Let's see if we got some Brexit news. We got some weird news here from Brexit. I don't even know what this means. British war grave staff attending European seminaries face 50% pay cut due to Brexit, and we're told the day after Armistice Day, which is weird once we get to actually talking about what happened with the GBP today. Okay, Brexit, sure. Let's see what else we got with Brexit news. Let's just go straight to BBC for the source. Why not? Let's see your PM resists calls to extend Brexit's deadline. Maybe that's what it was. I don't know, but I didn't really see. I think there was a guy. I think I saw something about a last ditch effort about extending the fishing deal in Brexit or whatever. But then we also have here in the United States the stimulus and what people are saying about it. A lot of people don't think it's enough. I mean, it's like a $900 billion package, and you're getting 600, you're getting 600, you're getting 600. I might get a 600. I mean, who knows what people are actually going to receive. But it should definitely be interesting to say the least. Anyways, let's get to the chart, shall we? So let's check out a little good old Bitcoin here, and I should have held on to this sell. So what happened last night? I think it was last night. Yeah, it's definitely last night. After it made that news, you had that high, right? Then it came up and it poked just above that high. Just enough to trigger those people that had their buy stops set right there, right? So they thought it was gonna be a breakout. Right, it goes above it, and then it comes back and tests it, and then it breaks out. Right. Well, those people got taken out. They got screwed. So they got their buy stops hit, and they got taken out. And then I saw it come down, and unfortunately, I wasn't watching it on this. I was watching it on BTC USD. Which is a little bit different. Prices are a little bit different when you go from BTC USD to BTC Perp. And mainly the BTC Perp is more for your CFDs, people that trade CFDs like me. I am not an equity holder in Bitcoin. I don't own any. I trade it. That's how I make my money from Bitcoin. I will literally think if it's too high, I'll sell it. And like I did, and made some money that way, and I'll even though the U.S. dollar may be going down, who knows what's going down with the U.S. dollar right now? The U.S. dollar is what I trade with, so what happened here? I'll go back to I was looking at this and I was trying to judge this, and it didn't come out exactly how I wanted it to. Once I switched to perp, it eventually panned out pretty much how I wanted to. So. I was gonna make sure. Okay, I just had to double check, make sure my mic was on, people could hear me. So once it did get above, you see this line right here, right? This is the high. As soon as it cracked above this high and then dropped down, hit this low. I knew it was going to retrace back up and hit one of these order blocks. I hate anybody who is a Bitcoin person or anybody that's a crypto person and doesn't think the same rules apply to crypto as they do to Forex. You are completely fooling yourself. You're fooling yourself. The same rules apply. The same price action applies. The liquidity applies. It all applies the same exact way. So what happened here, and I'm on a 5-minute chart here right now. I mean, I could get down to 15, but 5-minute charts are good because you can kind of see, you know, a little bit more. But once it dropped down to here, I pulled the fib, right? See, my resolution is not optimal. It was streaming fine yesterday. Hold on, guys. I will be right back.